Welcome everyone. In this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu on Mango Pi MQ Pro. So this is the board. First we need to find the links for Ubuntu. So just type in the Google Ubuntu RISC-V and the first result should be just exactly what we need. Then go to all winner. You can see on the picture it says D1, just as on the board, and click on download 64-bit version. Wait until it's completed, and then we will also need Balena HR. So Balena HR, just the first result again. Also download and install this one. So once you have both files downloaded and Balena HR installed, open it. Then select the file, image file. Yeah, it's XZ, but yeah, that's how it works. Next, select the SD card. Currently, I have 32 gigabyte storage. Okay, so once the SD card is ready, you add it here. Then HDMI for the monitor, my USB hub and power source. So there is my USB. I have some cheap USB to Ethernet cable, mouse, headphones, but will not need it, and the keyboard. I have also tried to use the USB tethering from my Android, but unfortunately it does not work. So yeah, we have to use USB Ethernet. It takes quite a bit of time until you get the first picture, but yeah, we'll wait. We'll be back when there will be some output. Okay, we have got some strange behavior. So if something similar happens, in order to fix it, disconnect this cable, HDMI cable, and reconnect it again. We'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so now it's working. It will take some time until it's fully boots. I mean, it's first time, so it will need quite a bit of time. So here we are on login screen. The default username and password is Ubuntu. Let me type it. And okay, we also need to set a new password for it. Okay, I think I messed up. One more try. Ubuntu. And yeah, so we type current password, so Ubuntu again. And the new password. And yeah, so that's it. So yeah, we are currently running on RISC-V architecture. Okay, so now let's fix our Wi-Fi, because why not, right? USB Ethernet is just Yeah, Wi-Fi is better. There is actually a review of this board from J.C. Chambers. Hopefully I pronounced it correctly. So when you scroll down, yeah, you will find fixing Wi-Fi. So you will need to run this command, but yeah, before that, you will need to SSH into your board. By default, SSH will always run when you turn on the board. So just find out the IP which it will get. It should appear in your router because it will have DHCP, so it will give the IP. And also don't forget the username at the start. Next, yeah, accept the fingerprint. Now the password you have set, and yeah, it takes quite a bit of time just to log in, so now just copy the command. Okay, it copied some strange symbols. Let me clean it up. So just sudo apt install a few packages and enter. Okay, that's bad news. I think I forgot to update. Yeah. Also, don't forget to run the upgrade. Okay, so first run this command and then this one, and Wi-Fi should be working. We'll be back when this finishes. So after the installation of driver is complete, you will also need to run modprobe, and then when you try to run the iConfig, it will show the Wi-Fi installed. And in order to connect to the Wi-Fi, we need to create a new config file. So just copy the first command from connecting to Wi-Fi. And at the end of this file, just add this one. So you can see there's version 2, and I'll just copy the text after it. I'm not sure why, but it adds new lines. So I will remove it. And also there is one extra character here. Okay, now it's good. And here you will just write your Wi-Fi password. And yeah, I mean the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Later you can, how is it here? And press Ctrl O to save it. And Ctrl X to exit. And open it again to check if it was saved. Yeah, okay. I have just rebooted the device, and as you can see, I'm connected to Wi-Fi called Pi, and there's also some more info. For example, I'm on 2.4 gigahertz. I could also try to ping Google, and yeah, I have the internet. Okay, and before I finish the video, I'll show the top. So we can actually improve the interface. So press Z, it will show colors. Then 1. Then there is T. So instead of just characters, it will give us a progress bar, and to do same for For the RAM, press M, and that's it. We also have swap. No, actually, we don't. Anyways, 1 GB of RAM and 1 CPU. Also, lastly, press Shift W. So the next time we open the top, it will show up same. And maybe you could also press E. So now it will show everything in megabytes. Okay, that was for this video. In future, I plan to make one about running Kotlin and with the Ktor server. Also, I could create a video for controlling GPIO pins. So yeah, see you later.